Continuing now with a bigger font, you can see I've downloaded the compressed tar archive for the size of 80.5 megabytes. Let's decompress it, and there are a number of ways to do that. I'm going to simply right-click on the file name, and where it says Extract Archive here, Auto Detect Subfolder, I'm taking that option. Any way you want to decompress this is okay. Here we go. Click. Whereupon Linux will attempt to decrypt or to expand that out, and has done it. It's now created an tar file. So it's created a folder with a tar file in it. Let's look inside that folder and seeing its size. Okay, that has expanded it out to 106.9 megabytes. And being an archive, I still need to decompress that. So once again, following the same pattern, right-click and extract here, auto detect subfolder. That'll pull out all the different components of Linux Air Combat, putting it in this new folder named Linux Air Combat v05p02, exactly as you might expect. Opening that folder with a click, you can see these are the component parts of Linux Air Combat, including all of its source code. Let's look at the detailed view, and you can see the file names and the sizes and the dates all from 2017. That's how we decompress this. Now, I think we might just test it and see if this will run in Ubuntu. I doubt if it's going to run because we haven't made any effort to pull in the required libraries. But let's just give it a try. I'm going to go to a new desktop, fire up a terminal, and we'll go into that newly expanded area. Remember, we put it in our downloads, so I'm going to use change directory downloads. And the ls command shows I've got a folder named linuxaircombat.tar. We're going to enter this folder with cd, change directory, Linux Air Combat v05p02.tar. And if I look around there with its ls command, I can see that I decompressed that into this new folder named with this name. So we're going to enter this directory, or this folder, with the change directory command, cd Linux Air Combat v05p02, clear ls-l. Those are all the files. Again, this is all familiar legacy commands from Linux and Unix over many decades, really. Nothing new in what I'm doing here.